Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.4 question number 3. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? Right? That is, we can solve the question number 3 in this way. Question number 3. That is, a coin has two possible outcomes, head or tail. A coin a coin has two possible outcomes, two possible outcomes, that is head or tail. Head or tail, right? Therefore you can say that probability of getting head or tail is equal to, therefore we can say, therefore we can say the probability the probability the probability the probability of getting probability of getting probability of head getting head getting head or tail head or tail is P, means probability of starting game is equal to 1 by 2, right? Why? You see here that the probability of getting head or tail is equal to 1 by 2. Why? Because a coin has two possible outcomes, either head or tail, right? And the total is head plus tail, that is 2, right? And the possible outcome may be head or tail, that is 1, right? And the total is head plus tail, that is 2. Therefore, the probability of getting head or tail is the starting game is 1 by 2. This is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 3.4. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.